This is the lock-picking lawyer, and the lock I have for you today is the Sesamee Model 937. This lock looks nearly identical to this lock, the Master Lock Model 930, all the way down to the exact same boron alloy stamp in the shackle. Despite the fact that they look the same, however, they are not made in the same place. This Master Lock says it's made in Mexico, whereas the Sesamee is made in China. In any case, we are going to try to pick this Sesamee open, and then I'll take it apart and show you what's inside. In particular, the Sesamee has one feature that I have never seen on a similar round body padlock, and so I'm anxious to show you that. It's an American lock keyway, so we're using top of the keyway tension with a 50 thousandths pry bar and this standard hook in 18 thousandths. Okay, click out of 1, click out of 2, went into a false set, still getting feedback on 2. Got some counter rotation there, set him. Feedback on 3, got him set. Counter rotation on 4, got him set. Lost our false set. Let's see if we can get him back. Okay, hit 3, got our false set back. 4 is still set. Counter rotation on 5, and we got her open. Okay, so not too difficult to pick, but clearly full of security pins. Let's take this guy apart, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, focus on, there we go. Okay, Phillips screw down the shackle hole, takes this apart. Okay, now let me show you that unique feature. If we look straight down where the lock cylinder goes in, let me give you a little light. You can see a small black Allen screw. When you leave that black Allen screw in, it's a key retaining lock. When you take that screw out, it's a non-key retaining lock. It's a nice little feature. At least it gives you the option. Okay, let's take this core apart now. A little C-clip on it. Okay, now let's get a key and a follower. Okay, so we have a 6-pin core here with only 5 pins keyed up. That's always a disappointment to see, but maybe we can fix that when we put it back together. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4, and 5. Okay, all of our key pins are standard. Let's take a look at those driver pins now. Okay, 1's a spool. 2 is a spool. Same for 3. Same on 4. And same on 5. Okay, so all spools. So not too bad, full of security pins, but still not a terribly difficult pick. Okay, let me give you a close-up of this pinning. Okay, as you can see, all of the key pins are standard, all of the driver pins are spools, and looking over at the core, you can see nothing special about it. One interesting feature you do see, however, is that little brass plug right in the end, right here. And what that does is makes it so this doesn't need an anti-bypass wafer. That blocks the entire back of the keyway, so you can't get a bypass tool in there. Interesting little feature or solution to a problem. That's all I have for you on this Sesamee Model 937. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.